What's up, everybody? Good afternoon to you all. It's your boy TuPhones for free, back again with another show. I just got an alert from my Visible account that, well, two alerts actually. One from last night that, Visible is doing some upgrades and things to the network and service. So, I haven't like turned off the Wi-Fi yet at the house, but I'm about to go out and do my door dashing. And if I find out anything interesting with the Visible service using my DoorDash and stuff, I'll let you guys know in like a mini video uploaded real quick. It's going to be a short. So, that's the new thing now, making short videos. But outside of that update to the network, Visible Network, I'm going to talk to you guys about referrals on Visible. I think it's the best. It's top notch, in my opinion. And to be honest, Text Now was easy too. Like seriously, Text Now was easy to get referrals, and Google Fi. Like these are my top three with referrals. Some reason with Mint Mobile, I'm not sure with the Mint Mobile. I don't know why people are skeptical over Mint Mobile versus Visible, Google Fi, and Text Now. But I got less referrals with Mint Mobile. I've done a lot of videos with Mint Mobile, but that's besides the point. And I got more referrals on US Mobile versus Mint Mobile, which is very odd, but that's besides the point. All the links in the description box. So you could join and pick and choose what carrier or service you want to try anyway. But Visible is top notch right now, 2021, heading into the year 2022. Okay, so this is, I've had the same account for 2 years. I went on and off, but I never used up my original credits. So my original credits are finally being used up. And the way that works is, the way that worked was when I first signed up, I got the Model E for free with a trade-in. So I traded in an old Android phone that worked. And, they took it. And they sent me the Model E6 for free because I traded in another phone that I wasn't using. So that's how I got the Visible, and that's how I got my Visible account. And not only that, since I was a new customer, I had a $200 master virtual gift card. Yes, I had a $200 master virtual gift card. And I was using that with the Mint Mobile, not Mint Mobile, with the Visible service and getting referrals at the same time. So it was a lot of things I was racking up, and I wasn't really paying full price anyway for the phone service. So I'm just letting you guys know. All right, this is other ways that you can save money with your Visible account. Join the Party Pay. I've joined. Well, actually, I created my own Party Pay. I don't have it anymore now, but if you want me to do a Party Pay, I do a Party Pay. That's fine. I'm fine with it. I already have the link. I can get started now if I want to. But so for people that are not already on Party Pays or not doing the $5 plan, or and things in that sort, you need to start looking into Visible. Start researching. That's all you gotta do. Research. Read up on the perks of having a Visible wireless service, because in my area it's good. So it's based on Verizon. Okay, so if Verizon's great in your area, I say switch. You can still get a family plan. The Party Pay. All right, but everybody has to have like their own account, of course. But you can add everybody to your account, and everyone will just pay, a one fee. Like everyone has their payment, but they're not paying full price because they're on your Party Pay. Okay, so you got to keep that in mind. Also, referring friends. Friends is a must. If you got friends out there that's struggling to pay bills, but they talking about something, I got to keep my phone plan on. Look, how about this? You check out Visible Wireless. The next month is $5. All right, you sign up now. Your first month is $5. Give it a run test. Let me know. If you like it, why don't you join my Party Pay? Lower the price down. And you guys are on Facebook and Twitter every day. Facebook and Twitter every day. You're on YouTube every day. There is no excuse. Okay? No excuse why you want to be out here trying something. Oh, I gotta keep my phone bill. What kind of mess is that? I am just being real and 100 with you guys. So you got the party pay and you got to bring a friend. $5 for the first month, $25 here on out. Okay? So actually, you can get 12 months for $5 a month for unlimited. Wow. Wow. Okay, somebody already used my code. Salute to the person that already used my code for that $5 for 1 month. Okay, so this is the join the party pay breakdown, basically. How it works. Create, join or join a party. Join a party that matches your personality, or create your own with a custom name and theme. Invite everyone, whether it's a party you start or one you join. Invite everyone to save by sharing your personal party link. All right. So you have your personal promo code. Remember, I posted this on Twitter and Facebook about coding. This is another way to get in coding using your phone service. How about that? Shout out to Kwame Brown. Anyway, see the savings while you still save in a 2-person party. Joining or starting one with at least 4 maximizes your savings. So keep that in mind. Okay? And of course, spread the word. Give a $5 a month, get $5, get a $5 month. If you're a fan of Visible, tell someone about us. Start by sharing your friend code below, which is that one. DVWS6 is my friend code. Okay, so I already got one. I already joined. Each time someone signs up using your friend code, they will get their first month of service for $5, and you will automatically earn credits for every friend that joins Visible. Each bring a friend credit cuts your service to $5 for your next month for up to 12 months. So think about it. In my opinion, this destroying everything out there. You'll be paying $60 for a whole year for unlimited data, unlimited talk and text, and mobile hotspot. And not only that, ladies and gentlemen, you can put the Visible SIM card in an unlocked smartphone. Hear it again. You can put the Visible SIM card in an unlocked smartphone. So you already used the smartphone from, prime example, mine is from Google Fi. I got an S20 from Google Fi. Paid up front. I ain't doing no month to month on no phone or nothing like that. Paid up front for the phone. I stayed on Google Fi for like a few months. Boom, unlocked. And on top of that, the phone was already unlocked. I had plenty of videos about this on my YouTube channel. Plenty of videos. So the phones on Google Fi are unlocked out the gate. Another thing, if you buy a phone from Visible, that phone is unlocked out the gate. The Motorola phone I bought, I didn't buy it from Visible, but I traded in to get it for free. It was unlocked. I used T-Mobile and AT&T SIMs and that Motorola phone. And it was Verizon. So, ladies and gentlemen, what does that tell you? Now, I know you can't get it right away. But let that sink in for a second, okay? I know you guys like carriers. I know you like your Metros and Boosts. I know you like your Crickets. But to be honest, nothing is on my watch. On my watch, Visible Wireless is shutting all that down. Visible Wireless is shutting all that down. You can even download the Visible Wireless application on your phone right now. Go download the app right now. Or just go to the website and look at all the great deals, all the perks, the referral promotions, the referral codes is bananas. All right. 2022, you guys got to make a change. All right. With all this stuff that's going on the screen, You guys got to make a change in 2022. My bad for that Chime, but you can save money with Chime. You can get cash back with Chime. Yeah, let me go throw Chime back up there. I got videos talking about Chime. If you link your Chime code, if you link your Chime account to Visible, you'll get cash back in your savings. All right, so Visible and Chime do have a partnership, so that's another way to save more money. So you are not even paying full price at all. Okay, it's all about what you want to do. It's all about how you want to look at this stuff, guys. Okay, so I just wanted to discuss this one more time to break down the tips and tricks how to save money with Visible Wireless, and that's really it. That is real as it gets, ladies and gentlemen. But hey, I'm that dude. I'm the prime example. You know what I'm saying? So salutes to everybody that's joining the party packages, that's saving $5 a month. That's using Chime. Okay. The future is now. This is the future. Let me know how I look. All right, it's your boy TuPhones. I'm out.